Hello YouTubers, welcome back to the channel GQ Auto Diagnostics and Repair, where my job is to save you money. Today I'm working on a Subaru 2019 Crosstrek with a 2.2 liter automatic, all-wheel drive, and we are going to remove and replace spark plugs. We're going to do it the passenger side. Alright, so it should be pretty straightforward, so let's get right into the video. First thing that we need to do is to remove this area here. So that's it. There it is. Now we should be able to lift it. Alright, let me get a there you go. Put it back together here. Same thing. I'm gonna lift. And this should come up. Perfect. Now I'm gonna place the camera over here. Trying to give you a better angle. Next thing, we're going to remove the air filter housing. You can use that. Depress here. That's it. Press right there. Now here, I'm going out. Okay. And we have two 10mm. Right there, 1 and 2. Move here. Here's another 10mm right here inside. Let's see if we can actually. Okay. Look at that. Okay, so now here we should be able to have quite a bit of room to do everything that we need to do. Okay, we can use 10mm, okay, 1/4-inch drive, a deep and shallow, whatever you have, make it work. Let's see if this is okay, that's loose now. Now we're going to switch to the shallow here. simple. One. I'm going to switch back to the long one here. I can put it here, be able to remove it. And this one's are the longer one, or the other two here that we removed from the air filter. So next thing we're gonna go with the hand, we're gonna twist side to side, and we're gonna start pulling, very gentle. There you go. Okay. So we're gonna press down. Now press down. Let's see here. And of course it's not going to do it. Alright. I'm going to lift it right here. Now pull nice and gentle. Come out. Screwdriver. I'm going to remove it. It's a lot easier for me, at least. Some of you guys might find this easy to keep it together, but there you go. Okay, so that's back in place. Don't need to mark this ones. As long as the vehicle is running good and the only thing you're doing is changing the spark plugs, these coils can go any place. Here in the front, in the back on the front, on the other side of the vehicle, doesn't matter. Okay, don't make more than what it is. Something here, pull. Now here you have a little bit less space. This one you can push it back here. That should be there. Perfect. Right now we've got some space there. And for this vehicle we're gonna use the socket. Is a 14mm socket. It's not the regular 5/8. Let's see, and a 3/inch extension. This one, perfect. And also helps if you have one of these ratchets with a flexible head. If you don't, use what you have. No big deal. Okay. These are long spark plugs. Okay, here's the spark plug. Okay, we're gonna put original equipment, NGK, on the new vehicles. Don't try to cut corners, always get the original equipment. Other way, you're gonna have to, more times than not, you're gonna have to do the work twice. Okay. Again, thank you to my friends from AutoZone for bringing me the parts. You see NGK. Same part number. And giving me a discount. I really appreciate it, guys. That's it. It's all the way in. Now, it's done. Perfect. This one is done. It's hard to install there, so we're gonna have to separate both of them. Sometimes you have some extension with a wobble here. It's a little bit like an angle and allow the socket to have some wiggle room. I don't have one of those right now, so I'm gonna use what I have because I'm gonna push the socket all the way in. Then I'm gonna go here, is in. And I'm gonna just like this. Now we're gonna disconnect the ratchet. Like I said, these are long spark plugs threads. Now we're going to pull it. Now we have to disconnect the extension from the socket. This. And we're going to use our magnet. Pull this out. Bring it. There you go. There's the other one. Here's the new one again. The other new one again. NGK. This one you don't have to gap them. Come pre-gapped, otherwise you will damage the spark plug. Once again, install this over there. Okay, all the way. Now we're going to install this here. Okay, good. Now again, take your time, make sure the spark plug threads nice and easy. If you're kind of forcing it, then there's something definitely wrong. It should be go really easy. As long as the threads are good. Also make sure the vehicle, before, I should have said this in the beginning, the vehicle, it is totally cold. Okay, you don't want to remove spark plugs from a warm engine because that potentially can damage the threads of the cylinder head. Just remember that. There it is, all the way. right. Done. Remove. Remove. So far so good. Now we're going to install this ignition coil again. That's going to go in. There's one. There. Done. We're gonna do the next coil. Here's the other one. Okay. Perfect. Now I'm gonna install. Make sure you listen for the click. There you go. That's in place. Now we're gonna have to put everything back here. I'm gonna put everything back. Okay. Here, make sure there's nothing on the air filter housing. Okay. Install one. The two. Perfect. Next thing, let's see if I can install this with a short one.
When?
Give me 1 second. And I need to just tighten one more nut. And everything else, well, I need to order an air filter. But that's how you remove and replace the spark plugs on the passenger side on the Subaru. I hope this helped. If it did, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. And as usual, God bless, do your best, forget the rest, and I will see you in the next video. Later.